As per our ongoing Spell Most Certainly token cost expectation, the worth of Spell token will expanded by 210.64%, coming to $0 end of 2025, which especially is genuinely huge. All specialized pointers truly demonstrate that the truly current feeling is unbiased, while the apprehension and eagerness file explicitly is perusing 13.58, which in every practical sense implies truly intense trepidation. Our truly Spell token figure, its hold Spell sort of token at the present time. On Walk 21, 2023, practically generally specialized investigation pointers flagged bullish signs, while exceptionally different markers flagged negative signs, demonstrating an overall unbiased feeling among Spell token cost forecasts, which is genuinely huge. See the specific Spell token cost expectation beneath. You will truly realize the amount Spell sort of token is worth in the next few long stretches of time. Throughout recent days, Spell token has diminished by 23.08%. Because of this, we can get, with the exception of a slight recuperation in the approaching month, toward the finish of spring. The worth of Spell token expanded by 113.07% and came to approach around $0. Presently, all markers are demonstrating nonpartisan zone, and the trepidation and avarice file explicitly shows 13.58 intense feelings of dread. As per our estimate, this isn't the ideal opportunity to hold Spell token, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. At present, Spell token sort of is exchanging underneath the 200 straightforward moving normal for the kind of most recent 326 days. Since December 31, 2023, SMA explicitly has shown a Spell token holding signal, which is genuinely critical. The cost of especially Spell genuinely token is presently running beneath the 50-day especially straightforward moving normal, and it shows a sell signal. As per every single specialized marker, the 200-day SMA will drop soon, and the cost will sort of hit $0 the finish of December in an unpretentious manner. By December 2023, 2024, essentially Spell token S momentary 50-day SMA shows a $0, or so they thought. The overall strength list energy oscillator is a well-known pointer that signals whether a digital currency is oversold or overbought, or so they thought. RSI is presently at RSI value. This demonstrates that the Spell market is in an unbiased position, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Spell essentially token value expectation 2023 in the primary 7-day stretch of January 2023, sort of Spell token came to $0. It really dipped under $0 since January 2021 amazingly. As per the financial backers and market sends out, in a real sense Spell token really is headed to passing the $0 before the current year's over. Before $0, it might in a real sense break its sign of 7 cents and reach, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. As indicated by the financial backers, exporters, and market pioneers, Spell token will break its past all-time high of 7 cents and sort of hold somewhere in the range of $0. At this point, on 21 Walk 2023, Spell token is exchanging at $0, and its 24-hour exchanging volume is around 838 M. And it makes number 322 cash in the entire crypto world. Spell token value expectation 2024. There is plausible that Spell truly token can generally get through the $0 and hold the market toward the finish of 2024, in opposition to prevalent thinking. The least truly Spell token cost will be between $0, and the most probable by and large Spell token cost will be consistent at around $0 the finish of 2024. Despite generally Spell token genuinely wild swings in esteem and the contention encompassing its naturally unpleasant energy utilization, extremely rich person adventure really entrepreneur Tim Draper is adhering to his expectation that Spell token will reach $0 the finish of 2024 or kind of mid-2024, which especially is very critical. Spell token value expectation 2025 by 2024. Market examiners and specialists anticipate that generally Spell will especially begin the year at $0 exchange around $0. As per their expectations, this would in a real sense be very high contrasted with absolute a year ago. This is actually an adequate leap in Bitcoin. Spell token value expectation 2026. There generally is a decent opportunity that really Spell token 2026 value expectation will twofold in cost. However, it by and large is likewise in every practical sense conceivable that it may not arrive at its normal greatest $0, which is very huge. Spell essentially token is anticipated to arrive at an untouched high of $0 2026, and it very well may be the extended time of Spell token. In a significant manner, Spell token value forecast 2027. Spell token value expectation, or Spell, will encounter colossal development in 2027 as it for the most part can possibly accomplish new highs as far as sticker costs and market cap. Spell token S cost is supposed to outperform $0 2027, or so they thought. It has been anticipated that spell especially token will arrive at the in every practical sense. Greatest cost of $0. The base cost explicitly is supposed to essentially be around $0 the following a long time from 2027. In an in every practical sense, significant way. Spell token conjecture 2028 market examiners and specialists foresee most certainly say that sort of spell truly token value expectation and specialized examination. Spell token basically is supposed to truly cross a value level of $0 2028. Or so they thought. In the meantime, spell exceptionally token in every practical sense is supposed to arrive at an especially least cost of $0 year, genuinely in opposition to mainstream thinking. The most extreme cost may essentially reach $0, or so they thought. Spell in every practical sense. Token value expectation 2029 by the start of 2029. The spell token value forecast and specialized examination foresee that the expensive in a real sense spell token will truly reach $0, and the cost of spell ought to reach $0 the year's over. Furthermore, especially spell can really reach up to $0 cost. From 2024 to 2029 delay will, all things considered, bring huge years for fundamentally spell especially token development. Spell value expectation 2030 out of 2030. Spell token value forecast are supposed to cross the $0 cost level as per spell token conjecture and specialized examination. Toward the finish of 2030, spell token as genuinely least cost is supposed to be $0. Furthermore, generally spell can arrive at a most extreme value level of $0. Toward the finish of 2030, spell token will really have a genuinely normal cost of $0 a significant manner. The crypto market expects a huge cost shift. Spell genuinely token value expectation 2031 truly spell pretty symbolic cost is assessed to reach $0 2031, at least, with a genuinely normal exchanging cost of 1 cent all through 2031. Spell token S worth could commonly come to 1 cent at its sort of the greatest incredibly. The experts anticipate that the kind of most extreme cost should in a real sense exchange around 1 cent. Spell token gauge 2032 out of 2032. Spell token will attempt to arrive at the most minimal degree of 1 cent. It might attempt to for the most part get the truly greatest and certainly next top level of 1 cent with the truly normal conjecture cost of 1 cent. It might break the past high and for the most part go ahead to its next level. In the case of everything drives without a hitch, we foresee it will arrive at its genuinely next level, which is genuinely huge. Be that as it may, it might dump what will be particularly the most minimal cost of in every practical sense. Spell token in future, up to $0. What will explicitly be without a doubt the greatest cost of spell token in future? Up to 1 cent USD will spell token cost increment in future. Indeed, generally spell token cost will expand as per our anticipated information in future, or so they thought. Interest in spell token is productive or misfortune making. Indeed, really spell token is beneficial venture in view of our anticipating. Whether the cost of spell token